Welcome to my channel. So we had the first snow of the season, and I'm here at the Dalewood Conservation Dalewood Reservoir Trail, and I'm going to hike over here. So okay, so I'm now heading towards the uh, trail which goes along the stream, and we have a reservoir over here as well. So it's looking so pretty, by the way. The scene over here is already looking so beautiful over here. I'm so happy that I came out to take video. It's so beautiful, unreal. We still have some leaves on the trees. Oh, this is so beautiful, by the way. You see, this is so beautiful over here. Oh, I saw some birds. So I'm hiking along the stream. So calm. So हाँ उनको मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. ओके, अल्लाह. So let me take some more shots over here. Here we have two guys fishing. I wanted to keep going. This forest is looking so beautiful right now. Unreal. So unfortunately I'm not wearing good footwear today, which is bad on my part. I should have had my winter boots on. Actually, I was not expecting like we will have this much of snow. Oh, and it will be slushy. So, but it's okay. Okay, so it's so beautiful that I just wanted to walk. But At some point I have to go back, as I wanted to go to another location. This is so beautiful, by the way. I was not expecting it. I just wanted to have a spot where I can take more shot of the stream. I think I'm seeing an opening over here, which is nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to walk a little bit more to see if I have any opening. Otherwise, I will go back now. Oh, this is so beautiful. Problem is, there is a electric wire which is going across, which is little bit sucks. Otherwise, this is so beautiful. Okay, I will take some shots from here for sure. Trail is very tight over here, and I would like to go to another spot to take some more shots. Okay, see the nature's artwork. Unreal. Spot from the gate to see if I can get some more amazing shots. I can try from here. You know, I'm adventurous. So I took that trail and went into this forest, and here's the view from above. Okay, so I'm leaving this spot and I will go to a different location now to see. Okay, so I'm taking leaving this spot to go on a different location to capture some more footage, so stay tuned.